How to fix iOS 18 beta notifications not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. If you're running the iOS 18 beta and facing issues with notifications not working, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to get your notifications back up and running by resetting your iPhone's settings. However, you should be careful about this method as it will delete all content and remove all data. Do this as a last resort only. Now let's jump right in. To reset all of your iPhone's settings is easy. Step 1. Launch the Settings app from your home screen. Step 2. Tap General. Step 3. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. It's at the bottom. Step 4. Tap Reset. Step 5. Tap Reset All Settings. You may have to enter your passcode to do so. And that's it! Once your phone restarts, your notifications should be working as expected. If this solution helped, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. If this method did not work, watch the video on screen now or linked in the comments below. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.